Let's learn about body parts. Can you guess this body part? Hair. Can you guess this body part? Head. Can you guess this body part? Eye. Can you guess this body part? Ear. Can you guess this body part? Nose. Can you guess this body part? Mouth. Can you guess this body part? Elbow. Can you guess this body part? Hand. Can you guess this body part? Finger. Can you guess this body part? Leg. Can you guess this body part? Foot.
Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.